So the next one that we have here is this one from Gipfel. So it's a 3-piece that you have here. No covers are included. But as far as the handle goes, this is the handle, the detachable handle that's included. So you can see here that it does include like a segment piece that is detachable from this handle here. So in order to actually use it, you got to push it and it locks into a place. And then detach it. So this one here, push it into place and then detach it. So overall, this one here is made of a really good material. And in addition to that, I wish it did include covers, but even so, this does work fine as a detachable handle pots and pan set. If I do push it in, it's gonna be kind of questionable as far as it feeling sturdy or so. So if you do want to switch between pots or pans in this set here, so imagine if I'm cooking here and then I want to switch over to this one here, I would have to detach it, and then it's going to require me to like hold on to the opposite side and actually push up against it so that it locks into place. So overall with this one in particular, it does feel great. Can't wait to use it. But let's go ahead and move on to the next pots and pans set.